Did you know you can make your own non-toxic shampoo with soap nuts? Soap nuts contain saponins, which act as a gentle yet effective surfactant. Making your own shampoo is not only easy, but also eco-friendly. I start off by rinsing the soap nuts with water. This step is optional, but it helps get rid of any dust that could be stuck to them. Add 15 to 18 soap nuts to a pot and fill with 8 cups of water. Additionally, I add a 1/4 cup of burdock root as it has many benefits for the hair and skin. I give it a quick rinse and add it to the pot. The amount of soap nuts you will need will vary on your water hardness. If you have hard water, you will need more soap nuts. Bring everything to a boil, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for 30 minutes. Halfway through the cooking time, press the soap nuts with a potato masher to release more saponins. After they are finished cooking, turn off the heat and let it cool completely. If you want to use a foaming soap bottle, strain your soap nut mixture through a towel. The extra filtration will help prevent your soap pump from getting clogged. You can reboil your soap nuts one more time to make more soap and then throw them into your compost bin. Pour the mixture into an airtight bottle and keep refrigerated for up to 2 weeks. This soap needs to be refrigerated as there are no preservatives added. You can also freeze your soap liquid in ice cube trays for longer storage. You can use an immersion blender to create a thick, creamy consistency. I personally like using a milk frother. A foamier soap is easier to apply and gives you more coverage as opposed to liquid form. Just try not to get any in your eyes as it does sting. To my surprise, my hair didn't feel weighed down or oily. It got rid of the grease just like conventional shampoo. The difference is that it doesn't strip your hair of natural oils. It's chemical-free, scent-free, safe for the environment, and very economical. You can also use this shampoo as a body and face wash. I always use apple cider vinegar as a rinse for my hair conditioner. It leaves my hair soft, shiny, and really helps with dandruff. Soapnut liquid can be used to clean your entire home, making it an excellent alternative to harsh chemicals. You can even wash your dishes with it. It leaves them sparkling clean. For laundry, add 3 tablespoons per load or add 5 to 6 soap nuts to a muslin bag or sock and throw it in with your clothes. Your clothes will smell fresh and clean. Soap nuts act as a natural fabric softener, leaving your clothes very soft. You can reuse the soap nuts about 4 to 6 times before throwing them away. You can also use it as a multi-purpose spray by adding 1 part water to 1 part soap nut liquid. To clean floors, fill your bucket with hot water and add a 1/4 cup of soap nut liquid. You can also add your favorite essential oils too. Leaves floors gleaming with no chemical residue. Soap nuts also make a great bubble bath, giving you the ultimate spa experience without the nasty chemicals found in conventional soaps. Just pour 1½ cups of soap nut liquid to your bath with the water running. If you have tried making soap from soap nuts, let me know what you think of them. I would love to hear your comments. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.